everyone, welcome back to Makes and Bakes. Today we're making a super fun rocking figure. Let's get started. The materials you'll need are a round piece of paper, glue, and a drawing of a face of your choice. Step 1. You will fold your paper into a half. Step 2. Now you will fold your paper like this. Step 3. Now you will glue your face onto the paper. Step 4. Now we will stick these parts together. I hope you had fun making this with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.